They're calling the color of this 2018 Bronze Smoke with graphics. It's a non-glossy matte finish tan, if you will, or bronze if we follow what they're telling us. Bike has a 111 cubic inch V-twin engine and a 6-speed transmission. It's got all the electronics, AM, FM, radio, the ability. You can pop an iPod in there, memory stick, anything basically that adapts to USB port so you can listen to your own music. GPS navigation. Pretty bike. Not only is it great looking, it is a ball to ride. If you have not ridden an Indian motorcycle product yet, you owe it to yourself to do so. Wonderful motorcycles. You can test ride them 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.